Good morning, Tower Traveler 15 Juliet Whiskey with you. Echo 1 like a southerly departure, and we'd like to request a center squawk on departure.
15 Juliet Whiskey, understand you're southbound, and what would your other request?
We'd like to pick up a center squawk this morning if we could.
Okay, we'll switch you to Potomac and I'll give it to you.
Thank you, sir.
5 Juliet Whiskey, position hold 26 at Echo 1.
On the whole, 5 Juliet Whiskey.
5 Juliet Whiskey, winds calm, clear for takeoff, left turn out to Peru.
Clear for takeoff on course for 5 Juliet Whiskey.
Flight following frequency would be 126.1.
1261.
Foxtrot Alpha, winds calm, clear for the option runway 26.
Clear for the option 5, Foxtrot Alpha.
November 15 Juliet Whiskey, what's your position right now?
5 Juliet Whiskey, just abreast of Winchester.
And number 5 Juliet Whiskey, contact approach 120.45, flight following.
12045, thank you, sir.
November 6 Hotel Sierra, contact approach 118.905.
118.905 to Hotel Sierra.
Daddy,
What?
he just stuck a lollipop in your seat.
Okay.
November 15 Juliet Whiskey, what's your position, sir?
I'm currently 20 miles north of CSN.
20 miles north of Casanova, you said?
Yes, sir.
And what's the identifier for your destination, your aircraft type, and your requested altitude?
Sir, I'm going to Papa Victor Golf in a Bravo 95, November 15 Juliet Whiskey.
And your requested altitude?
5,500, sir.
November 15 Juliet Whiskey, squawk 5341 and ident.
5341 ident for 5 Juliet Whiskey.
November 15 Juliet Whiskey, radar contact 15 miles north of Casanova VOR. Clear altitude, Adult altimeter 3027.
302 sending and 5 Juliet Whiskey descending through 6,000 for 5,500.
5 Juliet Whiskey, roger, maintain VFR outside of the class Bravo.
Stay clear of Bravo VFR for 5 Juliet Whiskey.
59 Tango, turning 30 degrees left. 799 Golf, 1 minute to go.
Central Aircraft Parachute Operations, West Point Airport, 4,500 meters.
Air 3060 Romeo, North approach.
Approach out 3060 Romeo is VFR out of Jamestown Airport, 2,500 for 6,500. Request flight following to Victor Juliet, India.
Air 3060 Romeo, contact Norfolk approach 118.9.
118.9, roger.
What?
Air 6 Delta Mike, contact Norfolk approach 118.9.
18.9, 6 Delta Mike.
Okay, Austin. it's such a beautiful day. Look at the bay out there.
Yes.
How's my baby? Looks like Sierra. Is Sierra sleeping? Say hello.
Hello.
Love you.
Hey.
What? We're going mighty slow this morning.
November 519 Sierra Romeo Pacific, tell off altimeter 301. Fonte 175.
10,000, commencing in 1 minute.
Potomac departure, good morning. Channel 126 off Manassas, level 2000.
Channel 126, Potomac departure, ident, climb, maintain 10,000.
10,000, Channel 126.
Channel 126, radar contact 3 northwest of Manassas, proceed to maintain 6,000.
Juliet Whiskey, winds calm, clear for takeoff, left turn out to approve.
Clear for takeoff on course for 5 Juliet Whiskey.